Hi George, welcome back to our English classes. I'm your favorite teacher, Teacher Lenin, and today is Tuesday, March 2nd, 2021. What we're going to see today is about transportation. We're going to learn about the vehicles of transportation. How do we go to other places and what vehicles do we have? We can see some of them here, but here we have the ones that we are going to practice. For example, we have the school bus, the truck, taxi, van. This is the school bus, the truck, the taxi, the van, the jeep, like in Jurassic Park, the ambulance, the train, the subway, the boat, the airplane, the helicopter, the yacht, the police car, a semi-truck, dump truck, the motorcycle is right here. Yeah, we have the motorcycle too, the bike, that you know how to ride a bike, the fire engine, the submarine, and the hot air balloon. Which ones have you ever been on? For example, I have been in a school bus, in a truck, in a taxi, in a van, in a jeep. No, in a jeep, I haven't been in a jeep. In a motorcycle, in an ambulance, in a train, no, I haven't been on a train. In a subway, yes. In a boat, yes. Police car, yes. In a yacht, no. Helicopter, no. Airplane, yes. Hot air balloon, no. Submarine, no. Fire engine, no. A bike, yes. A dump truck, no. A semi-truck, no. So those are the vehicles I have been on. Think about in which ones have you been on, okay? And make a list. For example, I have been in a school bus, a truck, because tomorrow I'm going to ask you. Okay, so now that we practice our vehicles, let's do a little activity. So, where is the car? Can you tell me? Yeah, that one, the red one, right? Here is the car, very good. The boat, where is the boat? Yeah, I know you see it. Here it is. The lorry. Well, the lorry is not there, but it's the same as not a truck. So it's this one. La lorry is the one that has something in the back. Bus. Where is the bus? Here it is. A train. Okay, yeah, that's one. Is the train. The bicycle. Where is the bicycle? Good job. The plane. Easy. The motorbike or motorcycle, the ones that you told me, like the Ninja and stuff like that. The coach, well, this means bus too. It's like a synonym, but we're going to put these ones. The helicopter, the is this one. Yes, and taxi. Where are the taxi? The taxi is yellow, so is this one. Okay, this was only a review, or not a review, an approach that what we're going to do tomorrow. Have a nice day, George. Thank you for watching the video, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.